Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought new 5 most useful electric food processors from Amazon, which are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Nuhe 3-in-1 Food Chopper. High quality. This commercial vegetable cutter is equipped with stainless steel blades, 100 watts pure copper motor, not only runs quietly, but also has excellent heat dissipation performance, stable and safe to use, and can work continuously for up to 20 to 30 minutes. Hamilton Beach Food Chopper. Built-in bowl scraper saves time. Quickly process ingredients without stopping to use a spatula. Simply move the scraper from side to scrape the bowl while the food processor is running or the power is off. No need to remove the lid. Slice, shred, chop, mix, and puree with 2 versatile attachments. The Hamilton Beach Food Processor gives you 5 processing functions and includes a stainless steel slicing shredding disc and chopping pureeing blade, so you can tackle every job with ease. Powerful 450-watt motor. Make healthy salads, homemade salsa, hearty acai bowls, and more. The 450-watt motor easily powers through the toughest ingredients. Ninja Food Processor. Powerful performance. Equipped with a 1000 peak watt motor, this Ninja Food Processor effortlessly handles tough ingredients, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. Auto IQ technology features 4 Auto IQ intelligent preset programs that take the guesswork out of food prep, providing one-touch control for chopping, slicing, pureeing, and dough making. Large capacity. The 9-cup bowl is perfect for large batches, making it ideal for family meals, entertaining, or weekly meal prep, saving you time. Magico's Storage Drawer Food Chopper. 7 speeds with blue indicators. Finding the perfect setting for your food prep is a breeze with the Magico's 14-cup food processor. With 7-speed options and stylish blue indicators, you can easily choose the right one for your needs. The blue lights aren't just practical, they add a cool touch to the look of the processor. Large feeding chute. Save time and effort with the extra-wide feeding chute. You can drop in medium-sized veggies or cheese blocks without having to cut them down first, making your food prep quicker and easier. Integrated Storage Drawer. Kingac Food Processor. Cut cooking time by 5x. Our mini food processor dramatically reduces your cooking time by up to 5 times. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, this versatile electric small meat chopper makes quick work of side dishes and meal prep, grinding, chopping, blending, and mixing, all at the push of a button. Experience faster, simpler cooking with one powerful, all-in-one tool. Robust 500-watt all-copper motor. Our meat grinder is equipped with a powerful 500-watt all-copper motor, engineered for exceptional grinding efficiency and extended lifespan. This high-performance motor delivers smooth, consistent results, making it ideal for processing